In this video, I will show you how to create an overcast stitch over a running stitch. I will be using an embroidery needle and 100% cotton stranded embroidery thread such as DMC Moulinet Special. With your completed running stitch base, start by pulling the needle and thread up through the fabric at the beginning of the running stitch. Bring your needle over the running stitch and back down, covering the thread. Now bring the needle back under the running stitch and over the thread. Continue this way until you have covered your running stitch base. This is a completed overcast stitch over a running stitch base.